Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Rabiul Islam before you. Welcome my class, dear learners. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Today you will be learned finite and non-finite verbs. This class is very important for Dakhil examining because it is needed for transforming sentence simple, complex and compound. So without wasting time, let's start the class. Dear learners, non-finite verb. Non-finite verb are to plus base form of main verb or base form of main verb with ing without auxiliary verb or V3 or past participle form without auxiliary verb. They are non-finite verb. Let's see the example. I hope you will be clear. First example is I wanted to help him. I wanted to help him. Here to help. To help. This is non-finite verb because there is no auxiliary verb. Because before help a word to. From the above formula, to plus base form of main verb is non-finite verb. But I help him. Here help is not non-finite verb. Help here finite verb. Okay. Second example. I saw a sleeping dog. Here sleeping. Sleeping here non-finite verb because there is no auxiliary verb here. From the above rules, base form of main verb with ing without auxiliary verb is non-finite verb. In this case, sleeping here non-finite verb. On the other hand, a dog is sleeping. Here sleeping is not non-finite verb. Here sleeping finite verb because is available here. Is here auxiliary verb. Okay. Let's see the third example. I got a letter written. Here written non-finite verb. From the above rules, verb 3 without auxiliary verb. Here written past participle form, but there is no auxiliary verb here. On the contrary, I have written a letter. Written here finite verb because there is a auxiliary verb here. Have here auxiliary verb. So written here finite verb. I repeat this class. I wanted to help him. Here to help non-finite verb but help finite verb. At the same time, I saw a sleeping dog. Here sleeping non-finite verb. At the same time, a dog is sleeping. Here sleeping finite verb. I got a letter written. Written here non-finite verb. On the contrary, I have written a letter. This written here finite verb. According to the formula, you should keep in mind that base form of main verb with ing is sitting a sentence without auxiliary verb, that is non-finite verb. At the same time, past participle form of main verb sitting in a sentence without auxiliary verb is also non-finite verb. A base form of main verb before to is also non-finite verb. So dear learners, from today you will be clear what is finite verb and what is non-finite verb. No more today. Thank you very much for watching my class. As usual, I will come before you with new topic every day. You always watch my class, subscribe our channel. To end my class, I also repeat for the last time. Today I have discussed with you finite and non-finite verb. You should keep in mind that 2 plus verb 1 plus ing without auxiliary verb, verb 3 without auxiliary verb are non-finite verb. Okay, and if you notice, only base form of main verb ing, base form of main verb with ing with auxiliary verb, past participle form before auxiliary verb is finite verb. Okay, no more today. See you in the next class with another topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.